Looking for the best portable blender to keep up with your active lifestyle? Whether you're blending smoothies at the gym, whipping up protein shakes on the go, or making refreshing drinks while traveling, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 best portable blenders, highlighting their pros and cons to help you choose the perfect one. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Ganiza GS10-01 portable blender. The Ganiza GS10-01 portable blender is a compact and versatile kitchen gadget designed for those who want to enjoy blended beverages on the go. With its powerful motor, safety features, and portability, it has become a popular choice for smoothie lovers, fitness enthusiasts, and busy individuals. However, like any product, it comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons of the Ganiza GS10-01 portable blender. Pros: powerful ice-crushing performance. The Ganiza GS10-01 boasts a unique combination of 4 serrated blades, an intelligent pulse mode, and a high-capacity motor. This setup allows it to crush ice effortlessly, making it ideal for creating smoothies, frappes, and other frozen drinks. Unlike traditional blenders that rely on more blades, this portable blender delivers impressive performance in a compact design. Efficient motor and safety features. Equipped with a full copper motor, the GS10-01 offers a longer service life compared to regular motors. Additionally, it includes safety features such as a lock design that prevents accidental operation, ensuring safety for families with children. The blender also has built-in protection systems against overheating, overcurrent, and overload, which enhance its durability and reliability. Portability and convenience. One of the standout features of the Ganiza GS10-01 is its portability. It can be charged via any USB port, making it easy to use anywhere. With just one full charge, it can handle over 20 blends, making it perfect for travel, gym sessions, or outdoor activities. Its lightweight design and included storage bag further enhance its convenience. Easy to clean. Cleaning the blender is a breeze. The blending vessel is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. The main body is IPX6 waterproof, allowing it to be rinsed directly under a faucet. For quick cleaning, the blender even has a self-cleaning function that requires just water and a drop of dish soap. Cons: limited capacity. The blender's 10 oz capacity may be a drawback for those who need to prepare larger quantities of beverages. While it's perfect for personal use, it may not be suitable for families or individuals who want to make multiple servings at once. The Ganiza GS10-01 portable blender is a well-designed, portable appliance that offers impressive performance for its size. Its powerful ice-crushing ability, safety features, and ease of cleaning make it a great choice for on-the-go blending. Coming in at number 4, the Magic Bullet Portable Blender. The Magic Bullet Portable Blender has become a popular choice for those seeking a convenient and compact way to blend drinks on the go. With its sleek design and innovative features, it promises to make blending easier and more accessible than ever. However, like any product, it comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons of the Magic Bullet Portable Blender. Pros: portability and compact design. One of the standout features of the Magic Bullet Portable Blender is its compact and lightweight design. It's small enough to fit in a bag or carry by hand, making it ideal for travel, work, or outdoor activities. The handled flip and sip lid adds to its portability, allowing you to easily transport your blended creations without worrying about spills. Infuser basket for flavored water. The inclusion of an infuser basket is a unique addition that sets this blender apart. You can fill the basket with herbs, fruits, or other flavorings to create refreshing infused water on the go. This feature is perfect for health-conscious individuals who want to stay hydrated with a hint of natural flavor. Spill-proof design. The flip and sip lid is designed to prevent spills, making it a great option for those who are always on the move. Whether you're commuting, hiking, or simply walking around the office, you can enjoy your blended drinks without the mess. Long battery life. With a full charge, the Magic Bullet Portable Blender can power through more than 15 blending cycles. This impressive battery life ensures that you can use it multiple times before needing to recharge, making it reliable for daily use or extended trips. Ease of use 0. The blender's simple design and intuitive features make it user-friendly. From blending to drinking, the process is seamless, and the handled lid adds an extra layer of convenience. Cons. Durability concerns. Portable blenders, by nature, are subject to wear and tear due to frequent use and transportation. Some users may find that the Magic Bullet portable blender isn't as durable as they'd like, especially if used heavily or exposed to rough handling. The Magic Bullet portable blender is a versatile and convenient tool for those who want to blend drinks on the go. Its portability, spill-proof design, and infuser basket make it a great choice for busy individuals who value convenience and functionality. At number 3, we have the Mueller PB-2200 portable blender. Portable blenders have become a popular kitchen gadget for those who want to enjoy healthy, on-the-go meals without the hassle of bulky appliances. The Mueller PB-2200 portable blender is one such device that promises convenience, power, and versatility. But is it the right choice for you? Let's break down the pros and cons of this compact blender to help you decide. Pros. Powerful performance in a compact design. Despite its small size, the Mueller PB-2200 packs a punch. Its powerful motor and 4 stainless steel ultra-sharp blades can easily crush ice, frozen fruits, and tough vegetables, making it ideal for smoothies, shakes, and even baby food. This makes it a great option for those who want a quick and nutritious meal without the need for a full-size blender. Portable and convenient. One of the standout features of this blender is its portability. The blending jar doubles as a drinking cup, complete with a custom-designed drinking lid. This means you can blend your drink and take it with you, saving time on cleanup and storage. Its compact size also makes it easy to carry in a bag or keep on your desk at work. Easy to use. The one-touch power blending feature simplifies the process of making smoothies and other drinks. With just a single button, you can achieve a smooth and consistent blend, making it user-friendly for beginners and busy individuals alike. High-quality materials. The blending jar is made from premium food-grade, non-toxic ABS material, ensuring durability and safety. The stainless steel blades are designed to withstand heavy use, making this blender a reliable choice for daily use. Excellent customer support. Mueller offers unparalleled 24/7 live telephone customer support, which is a significant advantage for those who may need assistance with their product. This level of support adds value and peace of mind to your purchase. Cons. Limited capacity. With a maximum capacity of 2 cups, the Mueller PB-2200 is not suitable for making large batches of smoothies or drinks. If you're looking to prepare meals for multiple people or larger portions, this blender may fall short. The Mueller PB-2200 portable blender is a solid choice for those seeking a compact, easy-to-use blender for everyday smoothies and shakes. Its powerful performance, portability, and high-quality materials make it a great option for individuals or small households. Next up at number 2 is the Hamilton Beach 51171 portable blender. The Hamilton Beach 51171 portable blender is a compact and convenient appliance designed for those who love smoothies, shakes, and other blended drinks on the go. With its lightweight design and user-friendly features, it has become a popular choice for busy individuals, students, and travelers. However, like any product, it has its strengths and weaknesses. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons of the Hamilton Beach 51171 portable blender. Pros. Portability and convenience. One of the standout features of this blender is its portability. The 14-ounce BPA-free travel jar doubles as a go cup, complete with a drinking lid, making it easy to blend your favorite drinks and take them with you. Its compact size fits most car cup holders, making it ideal for commuters, road trips, or even taking it to the office. Powerful blending performance. Despite its small size, The Hamilton Beach 51171 packs a punch with its stainless steel blades. It can easily crush ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens, delivering smooth and consistent results. Whether you're making protein shakes, smoothies, or even baby food, this blender handles the task efficiently. Easy to clean. Cleaning up after blending is a breeze, as the jar, blades, and drinking lid are all dishwasher safe. This feature is a huge time saver, especially for those with busy schedules who don't want to spend extra time scrubbing and rinsing. Compact and space-saving design. The small size of this blender makes it perfect for small spaces like dorm rooms, apartments, or offices. It doesn't take up much counter space, and its lightweight design makes it easy to store or carry around. Simple one-touch operation. The blender is incredibly easy to use, with a one-touch blending button. Whether you're making a nutrient-rich smoothie or a quick salad dressing, the process is straightforward and hassle-free. Cons. Durability concerns. Some users have reported that the blender's plastic components may not be as durable as expected, especially with frequent use. Over time, the jar or blades may show signs of wear, which could affect performance. The Hamilton Beach 51171 portable blender is a great option for those who value convenience, portability, and simplicity. Its compact design, powerful blending capabilities, and easy cleanup make it a practical choice for individuals with on-the-go lifestyles. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ninja BC151NV portable blender. The Ninja BC151NV portable blender is a compact and versatile appliance designed for those who want to enjoy smooth, blended drinks on the go. With its sleek design and powerful performance, it has become a popular choice for health enthusiasts and busy individuals. However, like any product, it comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons of the Ninja BC151NV portable blender. Pros. Portability and convenience. The Ninja BC151NV is designed for on-the-go use, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. Its compact size and lightweight design, combined with a comfortable hinged carry handle, allow you to easily transport it wherever you need. Whether you're heading to the gym, office, or a picnic, this blender ensures you can enjoy your favorite smoothies anytime, anywhere. Large capacity. With an 18-ounce capacity, this portable blender can make enough of your favorite blends to keep you satisfied. Whether you're preparing a single serving or sharing with a friend, the large capacity ensures you won't be left wanting more. Powerful blending performance. Equipped with Ninja Blast technology, the blender features a ribbed vessel that creates a vortex and a durable stainless steel blast blade assembly. This combination allows it to effortlessly crush ice and blend frozen ingredients, delivering smooth and consistent results every time. Rechargeable and cord-free. The 7.4V rechargeable power base eliminates the need for cords, giving you the freedom to blend without being tied to an outlet. The USB-C compatibility ensures easy charging, making it a convenient option for travel or outdoor use. User-friendly design. The blender features separate power and blend buttons, preventing unintentional blending and giving you better control over the process. Additionally, the easy open sip lid allows you to blend and drink from the same vessel, reducing the need for extra cups or containers. Stylish design. Available in a range of premium colors, the Ninja BC151NV allows you to choose a blender that matches your personal style. Its sleek and modern design makes it a stylish addition to your kitchen or travel gear. Cons. Noise level. Like most high-powered blenders, the Ninja BC151NV can be noisy during operation. This might be a drawback if you plan to use it in quiet environments, such as an office or library. The Ninja BC151NV portable blender is a powerful and convenient appliance that excels in portability and ease of use. Its ability to blend frozen ingredients, rechargeable design, and stylish appearance make it a great choice for those who want to enjoy smoothies on the go.